I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Wetteny Joseph. He is EVP and CFO at Zoetis. Wetteny, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Well, thank you so much for having me here on the floor, Judy.
It's a pleasure to have you. So now, Wetteny, you held your investor day here at the NYSE today, and it's your first in 9 years. So tell me, what were some of the highlights?
Look, we haven't had an investor day for 9 years. Certainly we're eager to be able to unveil our strategies and the capabilities that we believe will continue to help us to lead the animal health sector going forward. We're able to unveil what we're doing in terms of investments in innovation to propel the market forward and continue to drive an innovation that raises the standard of care for animals.
Okay, so R&D, it seems to be a big focus for your growth. Tell me more about how the company is expanding its key franchises and building new ones.
Look, we have billion-dollar franchises in derm and parasiticides, and we're very excited to be able to share with investors the next billion-dollar franchise, particularly when we look at osteoarthritis pain for both dogs and cats, how that is positioned to be the next billion-dollar franchise for us. We're also wanting to share with investors how we're making investments that will also drive ROIC and really productive use of our capital to continue to enhance and accrete on ROIC going forward.
Okay, so you talked about the new ambitions for the medium to long term during your presentation today. Tell me about these ambitions and how you plan to deliver on them.
We have a track record of outperforming the industry, which is very resilient, has grown between 4% and 6% historically. We believe the industry is positioned to continue to grow at that level, but we've outperformed the industry on average by 3 percentage points per year. And given our strategies and our capabilities, we wanted to really express the confidence that we have to continue to do that. So as we look out into the medium to long term, we expect to grow top line revenues in the mid to high single digits, continuing to outperform the market.
All right, and finally, what's the one thing you hope investors will walk away thinking today?
Look, I hope investors are really walked away with an impression of the resiliency of our industry and the underlying secular growth trends that will continue to propel the industry. I also hope that they walked away with an impression of our capabilities and our strategies that position us to continue our track record of leading the industry, but growing our top line faster than the market and growing our bottom line even faster than our top line. And I also hope they walked away with confidence in our colleagues that are behind our purpose to continue to drive the standard of care for animals as we nurture our world.
All right, well, Wetteny, wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you so much for having me, Julie. Really appreciate it.